In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson L8050 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download this resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable all antivirus including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. In here, I'm already disabled my antivirus for a while. After you disable your antivirus, in here you can download this resetter file, the link on pinned comment. After that, you can extract the resetter, okay, by right click on the file and select extract all. In here you can click extract. After that, you can open the folder and double click in adjustment programs. Okay, in here maybe you want to select the port non-auto selection. If you already plug in your printer via USB cable, you can select the port here. Then you can click OK. After that, you can click particular adjustment mode button. And in the maintenance, select was ink pad counter and click OK. In here, you need to tick the platen pad counter and ink system pad counter. If the maintenance box counter is also can be ticked, you can also need to tick this. After that, you can click check button. Then, after that, you can click initialize button. If you encounter an error here, first, you need to check your printer is on and make sure the cable is plugged in into your computers. The second, you can try to using another port on your computer with your USB cable. And after you finish, you can just click finish and you can turn off your printer. Then you can turn back on your printer again. And that's all tutorial how to reset Epson L8050 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Hope this video helpful for you.